Our next startup points exactly at that. They help financial institutions find the best customers so that they can offer them better loans. How do they do that? I'll let Libbo tell you about that. So let's all hear a big applause for Libbo.
Hi, everyone. I hope you can hear me well. Good morning. My name is Albert, and I'm one of the founders of Libbo, a credit underwriting solution for lenders. And we detected that models to calculate the default risk in consumer lending have been the same for more than 30 years in many banks. And as you know, in some cases, these models tend to be obsolete. They are based only on traditional data sources. And more importantly, they depend on the credit history of the applicants. And as you know, most of young adults don't have almost any record, so there's no way to score them. As you can see here, the millennial generation, aged between 23 and 39 years old, happen to be the most prepared generation in terms of education and job projection, and they are actually the most rejected generation. As you can see here, about 58% of millennials have been denied at least once to get credit. Many others don't even try. So this is a solution that we have for banks. We have built a scoring model to predict the employability of the applicants. Employability is a key default indicator. That is why we are focused on predicting what is likely to happen with applicants' job status in the future. And with this tool, we can identify more and better borrowers at lower risk. This is our target applicant, those young adults aged between 25 and 40 years old with a stable or promising job career, but they are actually being totally dismissed by traditional banks today because of their lack of credit history. So we score them using alternative data from education and job sources in order to evaluate the risk when it comes to give them a loan. This is important. We don't replace traditional scoring models. We add an extra risk layer to determine the capacity of the applicants to repay a loan, which is especially useful for those ones who are difficult to score under traditional models because of their lack of credit history, as I said before. And actually, most of these high quality applicants are wrongly rejected under traditional models. In terms of technology, we have based our tool applying human resources, big data analytics. We have a machine learning based predictive model. We have used alternative data from job and educational sources such as LinkedIn and human resources databases. And we found variables that have a direct impact on employability, such as, for example, area of study, job industry, and many others related to job performance, such as average time per company, number of companies, seniority in your last company, and so on. And here's the Libbo scoring integration with the banking system. It's got an API easy integration. Those doubtful applicants that you were about to dismiss can be easily addressed to Libbo user interface, where we're going to be able to gather the information required to give you a score as an output, so we can help you make better decisions when it comes to give a loan. And these are the three founders, so you have a better picture of who we are, and we're going to be willing to talk to you in the Discord afterwards. Thank you very much.
Better decisions through better data, and then we get better loans.